Man, I've been so upset about water runoff lately. If only there was someone to talk to about it. Mark, how are you doing? What are you upset about?
I don't know enough about water runoff.
You don't know nothing about water runoff?
I mean, I know a little bit. I know a little bit
fall,
about it.
so you should get up. That's gonna fall. So, can I tell you a couple things about it?
Yeah, I mean, I know a couple things, but
you do know
tell
something.
me a couple things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me tell you that the Philadelphia Water Department has one of the most innovative programs for addressing water runoff. The simple fact that the PWD is under pressure to build better treatment facilities. Most of the Philadelphia sewer system has a dual waste storm water stream. When it rains hard and there's a lot of runoff and stormwater rushes sewage into the outlets and into local waterways. The PWD is working to address the runoff in lots of ways. Most are really creative. This also has financial incentive because this work will help Philadelphia avoid building hugely expensive water treatment plants. So that's good. Do you know anything about water runoff?
I only know a couple little facts. But,
yeah, can I hear them?
Yeah, I know that all of the water systems in Philadelphia, they end up, they're 3,000 miles long. That's
3,000
Isn't that
miles?
really cool?
That's
yeah,
a lot of miles.
That's a lot of miles. That's underground, and it's the waterways throughout Philadelphia.
So that'll help disperse the water, right?
It'll help spread the water out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you know that when it rains, some water is absorbed through pervious solutions, such as vegetated areas with uncompacted soil,
No.
sand, or gravel that allows the passage of water?
Really?
Other water, called stormwater, flows into impervious surfaces, such as rooftops, sidewalks, and streets that obstruct natural infiltration. In Philadelphia, we have asphalt that can, unlike most asphalt, is pervious, allowing for water to be absorbed, making water runoff substantially easier and reducing flooding. So that's good.
Yeah.
That means the water slows down so it can be sucked in better. Go. Do you know anything about anything?
Well,
This is really keep going.
Well, I know that with areas that have combined sewers, that all the water goes to one place. A pipe carries the water from the storms and the houses into one pipe as wastewater, and this wastewater then goes to a plant where it gets cleaned.
Oh,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
But
so
then-
that's taking the dirty water and making it
clean, and then that we use for drinking. And that's all from water that we get from like rain, and it all goes into one sewer together. But in areas that are separate, one pipe will carry the stormwater to the city streams, so like the creeks, and then from there it'll go to a water treatment plant. Those are two different ones, but they all end up having water that goes to the treatment plants where they get cleaned, and we end up drinking it. Yeah. I still don't know enough though. Can you tell me?
we still don't know enough? Okay, well, I'll tell you a little bit more about water treatment. In Philadelphia, we have two types of sewer systems. Well, you did already do that. Let me define surface runoff, or tell you a little something about it. Surface runoff is the water flow that occurs when the soil is infiltrated to full capacity and excess water from rain, meltwater, or other sources flow over the land. This is a major component of the water cycle and the primary agent in water erosion. Let me tell you a little something about erosion.
Okay, yeah, I really do need to know about erosion.
Erosion is the process by which soil and rock are removed from the Earth's surface by exogenetic processes such as wind, water flow, and then transported and deposited into other locations. Can I give you a couple solutions?
Yeah, now, I know that our water system is pretty good here in Philadelphia, but I do think that it could be probably, I mean, I don't know that much, that's why I'm coming here to talk to you. But I do think that there are some more things that could be better about it, so I don't, I can throw one, I don't know if this is true, I mean, if you don't throw trash on the ground,
Yep.
then it
Litter.
won't. If you don't litter, if you do not litter is a main problem. If you
Litter.
don't litter, then
Because litter can clog the drains.
litter clogs
right?
the drains.
And then the water
doesn't
can't get
flow.
into the drain.
And when the trash goes into the drain, that trash goes to the treatment center, so the water won't be as clean, and it'll be harder
Yeah.
to clean.
And
I
then
think-
how about like
is that-
no, that sounds pretty good to
Does
me.
it? It
Yeah,
sounds
that sounds
good to you?
real good to me.
Okay.
Like phenomenally
Okay,
good.
thank you. Okay.
We could also use water barrels. The water gets in barrels. Stops water from flowing really fast. Also, you can use that water to water plants instead of hose water.
That'll save us a lot of water.
So much water.
Yeah, because we'll get it naturally instead of using the hoses.
Getting rid of the hose.
Absolutely. Also to get to get water to flow slower, we need to use
Pervious asphalt, right?
asphalt,
Yeah.
and that makes the water not flow in as fast, which could also clog and who knows what
Who
could
knows
happen
what
after
could
that.
happen?
That's just
Because
that's
we
just
want
a
the
bad
water
situation.
to go into the ground.
Yeah.
This has been a really
This
informative
has been really.
conversation.
I'm
So,
glad you made
I
my
feel
tears
like we
go
can
away.
handle
You
this
made
together.
my tears go away here.
One
today.
person
I'm glad
can't-
that you did this.
One person can't conquer this by
No,
themselves.
we all need
but
to help.
together,
Together we can do this. Together as a nation, we can stop this water crisis. Did you stop?